Welcome. In front of me I have the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, and I'll go over unboxing along with a quick look of the action cam itself. So I'll just get straight into it. There we go. So here we have the cam, which is a little bit bulkier than I expected from the image. It is bigger than a typical GoPro. Has a cool design with the flip little screen, like so. Have a weird protrusion for a microphone right here. Name, another screen, obviously the lens. Below that we have the battery. And then here we have cable, Type-C to Type-C. This rubber ring, which I have no clue what it is for. Yeah, I have no clue where that's supposed to go. Oh, I think it's supposed to be around here. Yep, so this is removable. So anyway, I'll just keep that on. And then obviously we have the little mounting for accessories, as well as this little clip, which I have also no clue what it is for. Looks, it's supposed to cover up the mic right here, which would mean that this is removable. Whatever. So yeah, there we go. A quick look at what we have here. So 1 to 1.3 8K sensor and Leica summer whatever lens, dual AI chip. I love that everything has to have an AI now. Where's actual like usable information? Leading low light performance, active HDR video at 4K 60 frames per second, 157 degree wide angle capture, and flip, yep, we already know that. 12 meter waterproofing, that's pretty good, and some AI audio editing. Okay, man, there we go. Not much to it. It's obviously a action cam, so there we go. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.